To enable dark mode in MetaTrader 5, launch the MetaTrader 5 app. As you can see, mine is already on white background. So all you have to do to change it to dark mode is to press on this menu button at the top left corner and then tap on settings and then scroll down to choose theme. Tap on this choose theme and here you will see the option to enable light or dark mode. So I'll be choosing the dark mode now, but if your phone has the default dark mode function, all you have to do is to leave it on system so that when you switch your phone to dark mode, it will automatically switch your MetaTrader 5 to dark mode. But if you don't want it that way, you can as well choose the dark mode or white mode, whichever preference you want. So that's how to change it to dark mode. So let me change it back to system because that's what I use, and then I'll now go back here and show you another way to switch it to dark mode. So if I tap on the screen now, these blue options will come out. So I'll just have to tap on this settings icon here, this one here. Once I tap on it, I'll now scroll down to colors. So when I tap on colors, in the next page I'll see the scheme option. So this scheme option is clickable. So when I tap on this scheme option, you will see options like color on white, and then green on black, and then black on white. So whichever one you choose, and then we'll have costume. So if I decide to change any of this color here now, let me say I tap on this bar down, or bar, no, let me say blue candle, and I'll change it to blue. If I change it to blue now and save, you will see, if I go back to this page now, colors, you will see that I'm now on costume. So if you happen to change any of these colors, make sure to customize everything to your preference. But if you don't want, or you don't have time to be customizing all of this or be choosing all the colors you want, all you have to do is to just choose color on black and then leave it this way. Let me save. So that's the one I use. So here you will see that it's still on white mode, but you can turn it to dark mode by tapping on this and go to settings and then scroll down to colors, scheme. So just tap on scheme and then choose green on black and then save. So when I come back here, you will see that only the chart here is on dark mode, that is green on black, as you can see. So if you don't like it this way, because here is white and the top here is white and the bottom here is white too, but if I turn on my phone's dark mode on, if I turn it on, you see that everything is now dark. For me, what I normally use is this. Tap on settings and then I'll go to colors and then I'll tap on this scheme and then I'll select color on white, then I'll save, then I'll go back. So now once it's like this, I'll now set and turn on my phone dark mode. So when I turn it on, this is how I like my charts to look. So but if you don't want it this way, that's when you can now go to the settings, colors, and then customize all these colors to your taste. So I also made a video on how to add take profit in your trade. I explained every simple step by step that you need to enable take profit in your trade. So watch this video and I'll see you in this video.